I'm at my favorite place in the world. If you've never eaten here, you're missing out on life, I'm telling you. This place is the best. It's so old school. I love it. It's a totally retro experience. Food is really good quality. Just love this place. If you're in Michigan, you need to come here. You owe it to yourself.
Okay.
Sure.
How you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Be with you in about 30 seconds or less.
Oh, take your
I'm
time.
gonna say 45. 45. Now I wash my hands. And I come back and uncover everything for you. How you doing, sir?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Alright.
I like the cod with the mashed potato, please.
You're not gonna make me cut beef or nothing? Nice. I like you already. You like any lemon or tartar sauce?
Tartar sauce, please.
I'll save you. Somebody's waiting for me to get you. And he's here. And what else for you?
That's it. Mashed potatoes.
Okay. Any kind of gravy?
Yeah, a little gravy.
I got chicken gravy, beef gravy, and beef mushroom.
I'll take the beef gravy.
Gotcha. Need anything else?
Nope, good to go.
And good.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you for stopping in.
My favorite place in the world.
Hey, I'm glad to hear it, brother. You always welcome home.
Can I get you anything to drink today?
Just water, please.
Just water? Okay, sounds good.
Sorry,
No,
I'm getting in your way.
All good.
Don't slip, man.
Okay, your total is going to be $15.26.
Where would you like to sit today, sir?
Any table's fine.
We want to grab your camera.
No, you're fine. Oh, you got the silverware. Okay.
Did you want any pickles, crunch wraps, mayonnaise, or everything?
No, I'm good.
You say anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere's fine.
Okay. Whipped cream or run out?
Here's your receipt. Oh, okay. And then this is going to be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Thank you.
Yes, enjoy your meal.
Appreciate it.
I got you right there at the window.
All right. Thank you. This place is awesome. It's so retro. I mean, look at this ceiling. It's like fiberglass tile ceiling from like the 70s. It's just awesome. Anyway, you owe it to yourself. You gotta eat here if you can.